Did you know that more than 60% of adults don't meet the recommended levels of physical activity? If you're feeling stuck in your health journey, you're not alone. In this video, we'll uncover the top 7 habits you can adopt today to improve your health and fitness, making your journey smoother and more rewarding. Hi there, I'm Forhad, your guide on this health journey. With over 4 years of experience in the fitness world, I've helped countless individuals transform their lives through simple, sustainable habits. I personally went from feeling sluggish and unmotivated to being energized and focused by incorporating these very habits. I can't wait to share them with you. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of 7 essential habits that can significantly enhance your health and fitness. We'll break down each habit with practical tips and real-life examples, so you can easily integrate them into your daily routine. You'll also learn how to overcome common obstacles on your journey toward better health. Many people struggle to maintain a healthy lifestyle due to a lack of clarity on what actually works. Conflicting information about diets, workout plans, and wellness trends can make it overwhelming to decide where to start. This confusion often leads to frustration, giving up, and a return to old habits. This uncertainty affects not only your physical health but also your mental well-being. When you're not feeling your best, it can lower your self-esteem and make it difficult to engage in social activities or pursue your passions. Think about it. Have you ever skipped an outing because you felt unhappy with your health? I know I have. Take Jake for example. He was tired of feeling sluggish and decided to make changes but didn't know where to begin. After implementing a few simple habits, he saw a remarkable improvement in his energy levels and mood. Jake's story highlights that the right approach can make all the difference. The solution to improving your health and fitness lies in adopting these top 7 habits. These habits are not only easy to understand but also sustainable for long-term success. Let's dive into each one. Habit 1. Stay hydrated. Water is vital for every function in our body. It helps in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even energy production. Tip: aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Carry a reusable water bottle to track your intake. Habit 2. Balanced nutrition. Eating a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains fuels your body. Tip: plan your meals for the week. This will not only save time but also help you make healthier choices. Habit 3. Regular physical activity. Exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Tip: find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, cycling, or yoga. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Habit 4. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is essential for recovery and mental clarity. Tip: create a relaxing bedtime routine and aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Your body needs time to recover. Habit 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your health. Finding ways to manage stress is essential. Tip: incorporate mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises into your day. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Habit 6. Foster social connections. Healthy relationships play a vital role in our overall well-being. Tip: make time for friends and family. Schedule regular catch-ups to strengthen those bonds. Habit 7. Consistent goal setting. Setting realistic and achievable goals keeps you motivated. Tip: break your goals into smaller milestones and celebrate each achievement along the way. Research supports the effectiveness of these habits. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Public Health found that individuals who stay hydrated report higher energy levels and improved cognitive function. Similarly, adequate sleep has been linked to better weight management and enhanced mood. Nutritionist Dr. Lisa Smith says, focusing on whole foods and hydration is the foundation of good health. When you nourish your body, you naturally feel more energetic and motivated to move. As we discuss each habit, you'll see infographics summarizing key points, such as hydration tips and healthy plate visuals, to help you remember these important concepts. Let's take a moment to demonstrate a quick, effective workout routine that combines strength and cardio. Follow along as I show you basic moves that require no equipment, perfect for any fitness level. Throughout this segment, you'll see on-screen tips and reminders to reinforce these habits, making it easier for you to recall them later. Many people struggle with consistency. It's easy to start strong but become discouraged when progress seems slow. Recognizing that setbacks are normal is essential for maintaining motivation. To stay on track, track your progress in a journal or app. Setting up a buddy system can also provide accountability. Share your goals with someone who can support and encourage you along the way. I want to hear from you. What health habits have you found most beneficial? Share your experiences and questions in the comments, and I'll be sure to respond to each one. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more health tips, and share it with anyone who could use a boost on their wellness journey. Check out the links to related videos for deeper insights. Thank you for being part of this journey. Remember, every small step counts, and consistency is key. Believe in yourself and the positive changes you can make.